Alrighty, hey guys, it's KMCers. Welcome back to our vlog. I just wanted to kind of show you. I didn't vlog any of this, which is kind of weird that I didn't, but we did finally clean up our spare room and started to set up our treadmill that we had gotten for Christmas, but one of the pieces, we got it used, so one of the pieces broke while transporting it here, so we had to fix that, so it's not completely set up yet. But this, we're looking so much better, but the problem is I don't have a before clip, but this is so much more manageable than what it was. So here is where our treadmill is. The piece that holds up the machine part is broken, so it's currently being fixed, but we have a bunch of garage sale stuff because when we come back from our vacation we are gonna be doing a garage sale. Stuff along the walls is stacked up perfectly fine, and then we have some more stuff just stacked up, so it looks so much better than it did. I don't have a before clip, but this was kind of like in the middle right here. There was all the garage sale stuff was kind of back there, but it was kind of a mess. So most of this stuff was already there. My dresser has been there, and then most of this stuff is always just stacked up, but some of this was just like kind of everywhere, so it looks so much better than what it did. Usually I spend my Mondays editing a vlog, but this week I already edited the vlog. I just edited it on Sunday night instead, mainly because I didn't have anything else to do, so I did that. Anyways, I did clean our oven that decided to almost set fire the other day because it was so smoking. We couldn't cook anything in it, so I am cleaning it to hopefully see if that will help, because I'm pretty sure it was just like really burnt, and this stuff was like burning and smoking inside. So I did that, and I started a little laundry because this week we are leaving for our vacation, so I'm so excited about that. But what else has been going on? I am gonna maybe make a Walmart pickup order just for some last minute essential things, just to save us a little time, because I think tonight Chris is planning on us making some TikToks, hopefully, because I've been wanting to. I wanted to this weekend, but we were just so busy this weekend, so I want to make some TikToks. So that's just my plans for today. Yeah. Picnic day! We're gonna go get ice cream in a town that's about 35 minutes away. Go get ice cream because that's the closest Dairy Queen there is to us, and taking Toby so we can go on a picnic at the park. Yeah! Oh! Ow! Hi, Tobes. He's happy. We just got off work. Okay, hey guys, it is technically Wednesday morning, but like Tuesday night, you know. I was hungry for some chocolate. Just had a craving for some chocolate, and I found this in my fridge. Don't know how to pronounce it, don't ask me, but I've never had one, so I really want to try this. So I'm going to try it. Alright, I'm gonna try it. It's dark chocolate with honey and almond. Honestly, not bad. Cause yeah, I just wanted some chocolate. Is that doing it? I don't know. But we leave on Friday, so it's coming up really soon. So I already started packing up because we are packing not just for the dogs, but for us too. And we want to make sure we have everything with us because we're pretty much going to the middle of nowhere. So I want to make sure we have everything with us. So I'm going to show you what I've already kind of packed because I kind of forgot to vlog a little. And we still have to pack a little bit. So this is our dog bag. It's usually the bag I pack for the dogs, but it has their bowls all in here. I do have some paper towels for the car. I do have a couple of Walmart sacks just in case. I have their allergy medicine in there. I also have their treats. They already have their bag of dog food in the car. We are gonna pack up their kennels with their beds, but we can't do that until the day we leave, but they're right there. Yeah, I think that's gonna conclude the dogs. If I add anything else, I'll show you. Okay, so I did make a TikTok today, and I'm actually gonna go hang out with my friend for a little bit. Mainly because everything that I have packed, I've packed to my capabilities until the actual day comes or the night before, because some of the dog stuff we still have to use for the week, but everything else is packed. Chris is gonna pack his clothing tonight, and then other than that, our bag will be done. Then we just have to worry about the dog stuff and just some last minute the cooler and that kind of thing. So yeah, otherwise I'm just bored today, so I'm gonna go hang out with my friend for a little bit since I can't do it on Friday since we are leaving. So I'm just gonna go hang out with her for a bit, and then Chris is gonna mow tonight too, but other than that, nothing else too crazy. Guess where I am. You already know, I already told you. We're here again. Cutie. Ignore the camera, it's fine. Okay guys, so it is Thursday. It is actually the day before our trip. We are all packed up except for like last minute things that can't go in until later tonight or early tomorrow morning before we leave. So I'm pretty much packed up, and my car is not packed up yet. That still needs to be done, but that won't be done till probably tomorrow morning. But anyways, so I have quite a story to tell you guys. So I decided spur of the moment that I was gonna go ahead and try to dye my hair. I really wanted to dye my hair back to blue because it had faded quite a bit, but as you can see, my hair is blue. So let me just give you a weird story time, just a weird one. So I decided that I wanted to dye my hair, but I ran out of blue, so I didn't have any more of my normal blue that I put in, which is what this is. This color is a little different than my normal, but it's still blue, even though the color I put in my hair was not blue. But anyways, so I decided that I wanted to just see what kind, like maybe I possibly had like a tiny tub of blue and not just like my bigger tubs, but I didn't have any, and I looked and I had like a teal color, which was like tiny. There's no way I could do my whole hair with that. And then I had a purpley color that was super pretty purple. But then I looked at what I already had opened, and I've had these for probably a multitude of years, probably 3 years now, because when I first started dyeing my hair blue, I kind of had different colors. I had like purple, I had pink, I never went with an orange or yellow because I thought that was weird. I had green at one point. I didn't do red either because red is my natural hair color, kind of. I have a reddish tint to my natural hair color, so I didn't want to go red. Plus my aunt was red at the time, and I just felt that was weird. Anyway, not that that really matters or should deter you from doing whatever color you want it. If that makes you happy, it makes you happy. But for me, it wasn't gonna make me happy. So I was looking, and I found a big tub of a certain color, and I decided, you know, when in Rome, let's just dye my hair purple. It was purple, by the way. Spoiler alert. It was purple. But I was like, you know, I haven't done that in a while. I haven't done it because my hair doesn't really like it too much. It doesn't stay on my hair for very long. But I planned that this weekend, if I just had it for this weekend and it fades out, I'm gonna go get my hair dyed, re-dyed and everything. Because I kind of want to get a haircut. This is driving me crazy. But anyways, So I put purple in my hair thinking that, oh, you know, I'm gonna dye my whole head purple to hopefully cancel out that green color that was going on, or silvery green that you guys can see. But it was more of a green blue in person. But, so I put it on. Then I instantly regretted every decision I made because I didn't know if it would turn out like brown. I didn't know if it would just take away, like if it would be blue. I didn't know if it would actually be all the way purple. I didn't know anything. And then I Googled it because why not? I Googled it, and in Google told me it would be a purplish blue color if I'm going over a blue-green color. Or it could possibly be all purple. So I was expecting all purple, or like a bluish purple color. And then I went and washed my hair. Couldn't tell in the shower because it's too dark to tell. And then I got out. It's still a little bit damp, you know, and it still has some parts that are like a greeny kind of color. I don't know. Anyways, and it's blue. It's fully still blue. There is not a hint of purple at all. So I did also learn that purple cancels out green, so I should maybe use a purple toner to tone my hair when it turns green so it wouldn't fade to green, if that makes sense. But I don't know, never tried it. Maybe I should. So I need to order some more hair dye when I come home because I'm out of blue and I'm really depressed. But apparently I was super excited about having maybe purplish blue or purple hair, just for me to be a little disappointed that I have blue hair, even though I started this whole thing wanting blue hair. I don't know. Is that just me? That's probably just me.
We're so embarrassed.
Okay, somebody's vlogging.
I took a photo. Okay, let's go to video. Hey y'all. So we're back. Hi. And I told you she was probably gonna be here today, but she's also vlogging, which is hilarious. I told them about your YouTube channel and then I'm going to link it. So I'm trying this.
Okay, yeah.
I'm trying this. So now we're both like,
we try really hard.
Yeah. Yeah. But this is so funny.
So odd.
Hi.
Hi.
So we've had a very slow day. Other
Really
than a
slow.
lot of people come to chat.
Hi, I can chat.
I'm okay with that though, because Dallas was here, Brianna was here,
Mom
was here.
Yeah.
You came, but you had told me yesterday you were coming, so you were the only one I knew was coming today.
Well, because I usually come on Fridays for the concert.
Yeah.
But I won't be here, so.
Right.
I figured I'd just come a day before.
Yeah. Works for me.
Right.
And then we're gonna go get dinner.
We are.
Because you want like your milkshakes.
Yeah, we're going to Tommy's.
And I really want a cinnamon roll, but we don't know if they have cinnamon rolls, so
we're gonna try.
Pie.
We're gonna try and see.
Yeah, we're gonna see. But that means we're probably gonna close the store early. Maybe. Because technically I don't close till 7.
We can wait it out if we need to.
Yeah, we can
like,
wait
I don't care.
I think I've only had 2 sales today.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, Mom and Bree.
Mom.
Bree's friend.
Mom saved you.
She did. Yeah. This is gonna be such a weird thing.
This is gonna be an odd vlog.
Okay.
It's okay. But I guess we'll see you guys
we'll
later.
see you guys later.
Alrighty guys, so we are currently driving for our little vacation. So we're gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you did this week. Subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the notifications so you're notified when we post every single Tuesday and Friday. This is KMC, whatever, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, this is KMC, whatever. Welcome back to our vlog. Now this week might be just linked up with next week's, just because I haven't vlogged a lot. I don't know if my sister has vlogged a lot, and it's been quite a different week for us. So we came back from vacation, and as you could tell, I still have, I got really badly sunburned on my forehead especially. You can still see it on my nose. So, with that being said, I was really badly sunburned when I came home, and I didn't feel the greatest. So I took a few days of break. I also had a very swollen eye. The very first day I was home, I had a really bad swollen eye for a couple days. Since it seems to be that it's gone down. I don't think you can tell. So I didn't want to vlog, period, because I wasn't feeling the best. I was suffering a massive sunburn that is still on my head. I look like a tomato, didn't like it, so I didn't vlog. But then came home and everything seemed to be doing great, and then our water heater decided to take a plummet and not work. So to add to our already no AC situation, we now have to replace a water heater. So the other day we went and got a new water heater, and Chris went to go install it yesterday, and unfortunately it is not working correctly. So my father-in-law is coming to take a look at it to see if there's anything that's wrong or like what's going on, because it's a brand new water heater and we have no idea why it's not working.
Yeah.
I washed my hair in cold water this morning, so my hair is still currently wet, but I pulled it back because I am peeling a lot on my forehead and it gets in my hair and then it looks like dander. And no, we still have not gotten our AC fixed. We do have a portable AC, which is keeping the living area cool. So we've been living in the living room. We've been sleeping in the living room because it's colder in there. Our bedroom is just way too hot.
Morning, KMCers. It's bright. And it's like already like 90 something degrees. With the humidity, like crazy. But just wanted to update you on kind of what our weekend plans are. So it's Friday currently. Preston just went fishing this morning. Like he left like early. Like I'm thinking like 5 or 6 o'clock. I don't know, something like that. He went fishing, so he's just now coming back from fishing. We're going to the farm, my farm, later today, and we're going to stay there pretty much most of the weekend because it's my hometown's like fair days, and so there's like a car show, so we'll go to the car show tomorrow, because tomorrow's Saturday. We'll have the car show tomorrow. There's like carnival rides, so there's fair food. Most of our friends live in this town, so we'll probably be hanging out with a lot of our friends. We talked about going to a bigger town later tonight to just go eat with them, because it's so hard for us to normally do that because it's like hours away usually. But we will be taking Toby. I don't know if you care about him, but if you do care about him, we are taking him to the farm, so he'll be with us most of the weekend. And yeah, so that's a little bit of what's gonna go on today and tomorrow, and and I have Monday off, but I also am working my second job on Wednesdays now. That's why I'm not really recording too much. But so Wednesdays I won't record too much, but yeah, I just want to give you an update. I'll give you updates later too. Also forgot that we just got back from our vacation that you'll see a video probably on, but just got back from that, and I need to mow the yard before we leave for this weekend too. And then also next weekend is like the weekend of the 4th kind of, and we'll be at the farm that weekend too, because Toby, little boy, does not like fireworks. So we go to the farm so he doesn't have to hear any, and we don't have to worry about it at all. So we'll be gone next weekend. This weekend, we were gone last weekend, so I really need to mow today because I don't have time too much during the weekend. I mean, I do after work some days. Some days I get off pretty late. Yesterday I didn't get home till like 6 something. So, and then it started sprinkling when we got home. But, so we'll see. But I have to mow tonight for sure. So that's another thing I gotta do. So Yeah. Fun stuff. Adulting.
Hey guys, so we're going to my friend's store. Let's go hang out with her for a little bit. Well, maybe we could see a concert tonight. I don't know if I'm staying still. I'm kind of just playing it by ear because there is supposed to be severe weather coming again tonight. So depending on that is kind of gonna dictate if I am here or not. But I decided to update you guys. She kind of knows I'm coming. Kinda. I said I might be coming, but anyways. So let's see her reaction. Hi. I've been here.
Hello.
Just been here, hanging out.
Quiet day.
It's been a very quiet day. So, that's it. That's all I was gonna say. Okay guys, so we're getting Sonic.
Yum yum.
Yum.
And it's funny because we all wanted like literally the exact same thing.
Yeah, we did. So we're getting Sonic. Then we're probably gonna go to my house, eat, hang out, and yeah. That's it. That's all. Someone's over here playing with cash.
My tip.
We're rich. We're rich. Just kidding. We're not.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Bye. Hey guys, so I am currently driving to Dugout Days. My hometown does a little like carnival kind of fair thing every year. It's called Dugout Days, and Kenna enters her car that you've seen on the vlog before into the car show, and I'm on my way to go see her. Okay guys, so we made it. I had to go find Kenna now, but we did make it. I was gonna go find her now. So it's not that big, so I should be able to find her, but yeah. She'll probably find me before I find her. Yep, here we are. And I see her car, so we're gonna see if we can find her. Her car's that blue one right there. Let's see. Hey, my mom's here. Shocking. Hello. There's Kenna. And Mom.
You made it.
There's Kenna's car. There's Kenna. I haven't vlogged much this week, so.
I said I was going to and I didn't. I got too hectic.
There's Kenna's car.
Hectic with everything.
Dude, same. Okay. I mean, I can go out there if you want to.
And I gotta go drop the car off though.
Okay.
You can either go out there right away or meet me and follow me around or meet me at my dad's house or whatever.
I'll probably go get a drink real quick.
Oh yeah, you can do that. But as soon as I drop the car off and put it away and everything, then I'm gonna go to the farm.
So I'll just go get a drink and then head to the farm.
Okay.
Just hang out for a little bit.
Yep. Because I'm gonna go in the air conditioning for a little bit.
Yeah. Anyways.
Okay.
Yep.
To drop the car off.
I made it to the farm. And
Good. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Heel. Mine. Good. You don't lose track of what you're doing just because somebody walks up, mister. You're trained better than that.
so I'm gonna head out.
And I'm gonna go do more stuff, and I'll try to record, but I usually forget.
Yeah, same.
I'm so busy and it's hot.
Yeah, we were just at a burnout.
Which you'll see probably.
Which you'll see, but yeah, now I'm gonna probably just head home. And Kenna can go hang out with her friends and do her stuff.
Someone's getting a ticket, so I gotta go and yell at the cop for them.
Right. Alright, so bye.
Bye!
Alrighty guys, so I'm home after I traveled, and then I came home and found out that our water heater, I said my father-in-law was coming to look at it and help Chris try to figure out what's wrong with it. He found out that one of the heating elements on it was broken, so he went back to store it and got a new one, and then they tried it with the new one and it still does not work. So Chris and I just went to Home Depot, talked with them, and they said that we can do an exchange or return it or whatever, because it sounds like the water heater is faulty and it doesn't work. So right now Chris is going to drain it out, and then we're gonna unplug it and try to get it back into our car and take it back to go return it or exchange it or whatever and get a new one, and hoping that it will work. That is the goal. Alright guys, so we came back home, we had some Subway, and now Chris is taking the second water heater into the area, and he's gonna go try to hook it up, and hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. Held it and waited till this morning to see if hot water was working, and unfortunately our second hot water heater that we've gotten has not worked. Chris is looking at what all the options are wrong with what's going on.